Welcome back. Today we're banishing pesky pimples using nature's power. We'll guide you through effective remedies you can easily incorporate into your skincare routine. Get ready to discover the hidden superpowers of your pantry staples for a naturally radiant complexion. Let's kick things off with tea tree oil, a skincare superhero. This essential oil, derived from the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia plant, has been used for centuries for its powerful healing properties. It's a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent, making it a popular choice for treating acne and other skin conditions. It boasts antimicrobial properties that combat acne-causing bacteria. These bacteria, known as Propionibacterium acnes, thrive in the oily environment of our skin and are a major contributor to acne breakouts. Tea tree oil penetrates the skin to unblock sebaceous glands, disinfect pores, and dry out whiteheads, blackheads, and pimples. Dilution is key. Mix 1 part tea tree oil with 9 parts carrier oil like coconut or jojoba. Carrier oils help to dilute the potency of tea tree oil, making it safe for application on the skin. Coconut oil is known for its moisturizing properties, while jojoba oil closely mimics the skin's natural sebum, making it an excellent choice for those with oily skin. Dip a cotton swab into the mixture and dab it directly onto pimples. This targeted application ensures that the tea tree oil can work directly on the affected area, reducing inflammation and redness. Leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Overnight treatment allows the tea tree oil to penetrate deeply into the skin, working its magic while you sleep. In the morning, cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any residue. Remember, do a patch test first to ensure no adverse reactions. Apply a small amount of the diluted tea tree oil mixture to a discrete area of your skin, such as the inside of your wrist, and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. This potent oil can work wonders, but always use it with care. Overuse or improper dilution can lead to skin irritation, dryness, or even allergic reactions. It's important to listen to your skin and adjust the frequency of application as needed. Your skin will thank you for this natural remedy. With consistent use, you may notice a significant reduction in the frequency and severity of your breakouts, leading to clearer, healthier skin. Embrace the power of tea tree oil for clearer skin. Incorporating this natural remedy into your skincare routine can be a game changer, providing a gentle yet effective solution for managing acne and promoting overall skin health. Next, let's call in the soothing powers of aloe vera. Slice open a fresh aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. Apply the gel directly to affected areas, massaging gently. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. For added acne-fighting power, mix in a few drops of tea tree oil. Aloe vera will leave your skin soothed, refreshed, and glowing. Embrace this natural remedy for a healthy complexion. Get ready for a spa-worthy treat, a honey and cinnamon mask. This natural remedy is not only easy to make, but also incredibly effective for acne-prone skin. The combination of honey and cinnamon has been used for centuries for its healing properties. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw honey with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Raw honey is packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties that help to clear your skin. Cinnamon, on the other hand, has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce redness and swelling. Apply the mixture evenly to your face, focusing on breakout areas. Use a brush for a smooth application, ensuring that every part of your skin gets the benefits of this powerful mask. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes while the mask works its magic. This is your time to unwind and let the natural ingredients penetrate your skin. You can listen to some calming music or meditate to enhance the spa experience. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Make sure to be gentle to avoid irritating your skin. The warm water helps to open up your pores, allowing the mask to be rinsed off thoroughly. Indulge in this mask once or twice a week for optimal results. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Regular use of this mask will help to keep your skin clear and radiant. Honey and cinnamon combine to combat acne and reveal a radiant complexion. The antibacterial properties of honey kill acne-causing bacteria, while cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and swelling. Your skin will thank you for this sweet relief. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and clarity. Embrace this natural remedy for clearer, glowing skin. Not only will your skin look better, but you'll also feel more confident and refreshed. This simple yet effective mask is a must-try for anyone struggling with acne. Let's move on to apple cider vinegar, a versatile acne fighter. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar with water for a gentle solution. Soak a cotton ball in the mixture and apply to breakout areas. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with water. Apple cider vinegar reduces redness and inflammation. Always dilute it to prevent irritation. Embrace this pantry staple for balanced, clearer skin. When life gives you lemons, use them to banish pimples. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a bowl and dip a cotton swab into it. Apply directly to pimples and leave on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Dilute with water if you have sensitive skin. Lemon juice can make your skin sun-sensitive, so apply sunscreen diligently. Embrace the brightening power of lemon for clearer skin. Prepare to be amazed by garlic's pimple-fighting properties. Crush a clove of garlic and mix with water to form a paste. Apply the paste directly onto pimples and leave for 10 minutes. Rinse off thoroughly and do a patch test first. Garlic's allicin reduces inflammation and fights bacteria. Use with caution to avoid irritation. Embrace garlic for clearer, healthier skin. Let's talk about baking soda, a gentle exfoliant. Mix baking soda with water to form a smooth paste. Apply to affected areas, massaging in circular motions. Leave on for 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Baking soda improves skin texture and clarity. Use in moderation to avoid dryness and irritation. Limit treatments to once or twice a week. Embrace baking soda for clearer, smoother skin. Sometimes all your skin needs is a little chill pill. Ice cubes reduce redness and swelling associated with pimples. Wrap an ice cube in a clean cloth and apply to the pimple for 5 minutes. Repeat as needed throughout the day for instant relief. Ice therapy is safe and gentle for all skin types. Embrace the cooling power of ice for calmer skin. Show those pimples who's boss with this simple remedy. Unleash the power of clay masks for clearer, healthier skin. These masks have been used for centuries to purify and rejuvenate the skin, making them a timeless addition to any skincare routine. Clay masks work by drawing out excess oil, dirt, and toxins from deep within your pores. This process helps to prevent breakouts and leaves your skin feeling fresh and clean. Bentonite clay, known for its powerful absorbing properties, is particularly beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin. It helps to control sebum production and reduce the appearance of blemishes. On the other hand, kaolin clay is a gentler option, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. It helps to soothe irritation and redness while still providing a deep cleanse. To prepare your clay mask, mix the clay powder with water or apple cider vinegar until it forms a smooth paste. The consistency should be thick enough to stay on your face without dripping. Apply the paste evenly to your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to dry and work its magic. When it's time to remove the mask, rinse off with warm water, gently massaging your face in circular motions. This helps to exfoliate the skin and remove any remaining impurities. After rinsing, your skin will feel incredibly clean, refreshed, and noticeably smoother. The mask not only cleanses but also tightens your pores, giving your skin a more refined appearance. For optimal results, incorporate clay masks into your skincare routine once or twice a week. Regular use can help maintain clear skin and prevent future breakouts. Embrace the benefits of clay masks and enjoy a flawless complexion. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and overall health. So, why wait? Start your journey to clearer, healthier skin today. Let's end with a refreshing treat. Cucumber. Slice a chilled cucumber into thin rounds. Place the slices directly onto pimples for 15 to 20 minutes. Cucumber soothes, hydrates, and reduces redness. Remove slices and rinse your face with cool water. Suitable for all skin types, even the most sensitive. Embrace cucumber for a refreshed, glowing complexion. There you have it. 10 powerful natural remedies for clear, radiant skin. Consistency is key with natural remedies. Incorporate these tips into your routine regularly for noticeable results. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips. Share your experiences in the comments below and consult a healthcare professional for any concerns.